Hope everybody's doing well on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Black Scuba Bear coming to you from Malibu, California. Blessed to be here, and just wanted to catch up with everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, and about to do this unboxing. Been waiting for this package for a while now, and it finally arrived. So let's get to it. It's here. Get out of my way. The Nauticam, the MFO3. Excited that it finally arrived. Let's get it out the box. Let's see what comes in the box here. Okay. Nice little Nauticam cloth. They always send a cloth with their stuff like that. And a ring. Definitely need that. What all Sony shooters should have in their photography camera bag if you're shooting underwater. Here it is, folks. The MFO3. I'm on my way to Channel Islands on Monday, and the tags, I plan to go to those dive sites and test out this MFO3. I'll get back to you folks and let you know what I think about it. Until then, bear blessings. Peace.